Replacing the convection blower on a Winslow PS40 pellet stove, Winslow PI40 pellet insert, manufactured by either Country, Lennox, or Iron Strike. The part number OEM is H5888. The aftermarket part is H5888-AMP. All these parts can be found on our website at www.pelletstoveparts4less.com. First, locate where the blower is. On an insert, it's on the left. On the freestanding, it's on the right. You're going to need an 1/8 inch Allen key, and you're going to loosen these two screws right here that hold it to the mounting flange. You don't have to remove them actually, you just need to loosen them up. So get your ratchet or your key and loosen the top one, loosen the bottom one, and then the blower will come right out. If the gasket's in good shape, we can reuse it. It's going to mount in there just like that. We can set that down. Next, cut the zip ties that hold the black wires to the wiring harness. One of these wires will go to the fan switch where the yellow wire is attached, and the other one's going to come back to the common bus. There will be 2 zip ties down here. One there, and then follow the black wire down. You'll see it there. Undo the other zip tie, and then follow it back into the common bus. And then you're going to pull that out. You may have to wiggle it and apply a generous amount of force pulling straight away from you, and then that's out. Now we can remove the blower from the stove. To put our new blower in, we're going to reuse the gasket, hang it down, and then slip the holes underneath the washers of the mounting screws, just like so. When you go to put this back, you won't be able to go over the back side of the back vacuum switch. It's not going to fit. You're going to have to tilt it off to the side, line it up, and then slide the blower into the receiving end, and then make sure that your washers go over the mounting, just like so. With our 1/8 inch Allen key, we're going to tighten up the blower. Top one, just like so. And then the bottom one. After this, we're going to plug one of our black wires back into the fan switch, and then make sure that our yellow wire is on the other side of the fan switch if you've unplugged it, and then follow the other black wire around the back of the stove and make sure that that connects into any of the spades that are available on the common bus. Any of these spades on this block will be fine. So just find one that's open and then plug our wire into there. Next, for a little bit of housekeeping, we're just going to gather up our wires and we're going to put a new zip tie on them, just like so, and we're done.